university offers a balance of quality education, modern facilities, and real-world preparation. Through mentorship, we develop students to think critically, develop problem-solving skills, communication, and teamwork.
We develop curriculums that are related to the real-life scenarios. We provide case studies, we provide practicums, we also provide projects, or we want them to execute events and projects that are really gonna be useful.
On one hand, we make sure students are academically prepared. That's why you see consistent performance in licensure exams, but we don't stop there. We also focus a lot on soft skills, communication, teamwork, leadership.
We do not just focus on completing academic requirements. We make sure students understand what they learn and can use it meaningfully.
Here at NU, we provide job-ready partnerships, ensuring that we partner with the best in the industry, taking on the initiatives to strengthen students' job readiness.
A special emphasis on our part is to make our graduates tech-ready. This is one of our strengths.
Hands-on experience, that is actually one. So the students learn from their curriculum and then they're going to apply it and think outside of the box.
We can assure you that when you leave National University, you are confident, competent, and career-ready individuals.
We make sure that our students are exposed to real-world context, discipline, time management, and confidence. So we are proud to say that we produce graduate that is resilient and responsible.
Truly, an education that works.